Good morning again. This is Ben Hardy, Senior Product Manager for Sharp here at InfoComm 2025, Day 3. And what I want to show here is really our entire gamut of our signage portfolio here. So starting on the left, this is our new E-Series product. This is our PN-E559. And first thing you notice, if you're familiar with our old series, is that there are big changes here, right? So first of all, we have high haze glass. Second of all, we have full metal chassis here. And then we also have an even bezel design because if you notice, we're using this unit in portrait orientation, whereas previously we did not support portrait orientation for E-Series. The next product here, so this is sort of our next step up, this is our PN-ME-XX2. And this is our SoC platform product, right? So on board, on this unit is Android 13, and you can see it's going through some content here. There are a number of CMS partners that are compatible with our system right now. Full external control, USB-C, as I mentioned in the earlier video, on the side, as well as 3 HDMI 18x7 runtimes. High haze glass, 450 nits, really ideal for signage applications that do not need 24/7. And then you kind of have across this threshold right here, this is our new M-Series product, our PN-M552. And so this is where we start to see 24/7. These are 550 nits, obviously high haze glass. You notice the nice small bezel design around the side. This can obviously do a portrait and landscape as well. This has onboard USB-C with power delivery as well as the hub functionality with 2 downstreams. Really, that's more for corporate conferencing and so forth. But from a signage perspective, you do have modularity too. So you have the ability to integrate an SDM, or Raspberry Pi compute module, where audio, video, power, and control are all internal. And so actually this unit itself is running off of a Windows 11 PC, that is integrated into the unit via SDM. And then finally, the last step up here, this is our P-Series. So everything between the M-Series, the next-gen M-Series, and the next-gen P-Series are identical from like a feature perspective. The differences now are that the P-Series are 700 nits brightness, and then we give them a 5-year warranty out of the box. And so, all of these are either launched or set to launch here soon. And for more information, you can go to sharpusa.com. Thank you.